guys, I have Mel with me. As promised, we will be showing you a video of our unboxing. It's our video number 3 in our process of building our own home theater Atmos 7.2.6 home theater. So what we're unboxing today is our Klipsch Pro 180 RPC, our Atmos surround in ceiling speakers. So Mel will open the box right now and we will find out what we have inside. So inside, of course, we have your owner's manual right there, around template, and then your paint plate that will protect your speakers if you're going to repaint your ceilings. And then you have 2 different kinds of speaker grills. You have the square one, and then you also have a round one. So whatever your preference that you would want to use, you can choose which one. And then of course, the inside you have the actual speaker itself. And the speaker is 8-inch. It's a ceramic woofer and a 1-inch titanium dome inside. It's a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, and it's mated to a composite coated round tractic horn. So that's the front side, and then at the back, there you go. So it looks really nice. So Mel will go ahead and install that for us. And of course, that speaker is gonna go right over there. That's our in-ceiling speakers. And he already did the pre-drill or the pre-wiring, so to cut us a time. So go. There you go. He's finished securing the plate, and then he is putting in the speakers now. So first thing, he will have to connect the wire to the speakers itself. So it's quite easy. And then, oops. And then extra wire back in the attic, and then there.
Turn it to lock it.
You have to turn it lock, and then secure it with the drill. The screws up, making sure they're tight to secure them in place, and there you go. One more. sure it's nice and secure. Now, last part is putting in the round grill. We prefer to go with the round one. So, there you go, guys. Installation of our Klipsch Pro 150, 180 RPC. Thank you, guys. See you in our next video.